never any food in here. I swear, like every time I open this refrigerator, there's like no food. Like what is this? What is this? What is this cucumber? You know what I'm saying? There's like no food. Like what is this? What is this earthworm stuff? Like what am I supposed to eat? Earthworms with wasabi and some peanut butter jelly Smuckers or what's going on? Like you want me to eat this sriracha sauce bottle? What about this Hershey freaking syrup thing? Man, I'm starting to think my mom's trying to kill me. She's trying to starve me to death. Or I can drink some tea. You know, cause tea is key, my friends. Tea is key. Shoutouts. No, but seriously, like there's never any food. I always open up this refrigerator and there's never any food. Like what am I supposed to do? Eat this bag of onions? No, this is garlic. This is garlic. Like am I supposed to eat this bag of garlic? Like it's like does my mom really want me to do that? Like no, you're not a bad. It's pretty good.